It has become common in many parts of the country where wearing a mask in public is mandatory. IPD sourced the most comfortable, washable, and reusable cotton masks. We've tested these masks with customers, family, friends, and staff members, and the feedback was exceptionally positive. The best thing we've heard is that you can breathe easy through them. They don't hurt your ears due to the high-quality elastic bands, and they're extremely comfortable. Another great feature is their machine washable. We recommend washing these frequently. It's nice that these come in a 5-pack, so you are able to cycle through them appropriately when washing. Before wearing a mask, make sure and wash or sanitize your hands. Grab one of the ear loops and secure around your ear. Grab the opposite ear loop and install around that ear. Grab the top edge of the mask and pull over your nose. Then grab the bottom of the mask, ensuring your mouth is completely covered.